Welcome to the next step in your animal research project. Last time we looked at books in the library and discussed how to use a table of contents and an index. Today we are moving on to internet research. You will be exploring many aspects of animals during your research, but today we are focusing on their habitats. This is important because where an animal lives is one of the ways we group animals. The question I want you to be able to discuss at the end of the lesson is, why do animals live in different habitats? I have provided a list of resources to help get you started. One is the Encyclopedia Britannica. It's similar to the encyclopedias that you've used in the library. You might be familiar with three of the sites listed, National Geographic Kids and Pebble Go. There are two Pebble Go's listed because they are geared toward different ages. Pebble Go is for kinder through third, and Pebble Go Next is third through fifth. There are links for both, so you can decide which one is best for you depending on your reading level. There's also sites from the American Museum of Natural History, the San Diego Zoo, and SeaWorld, as well as one all about birds. I've also included the El Paso ISD online library catalog, so you can look for books at our library and other libraries in the district. If you find books in another school, I can get them for you. The last resource is Citation Maker. It is a site to help you create the citations you will need when you reference your resources. Today you will be learning about different animal habitats. You will also be learning about how to find the answers to questions. As you become more comfortable using the internet and finding materials in the library, you will discover you have the tools to answer almost any question you have now and in the future. Let's get started.